Hi folks, my name is Jackie Alpers. Today I'm going to be making the Bee's Knees, a Prohibition era lemon and honey flavored cocktail featured in Yellowstone's 1923 speakeasy scene. Okay, we are going to start with 2 ounces of Old Tom gin. I'm using Ransom, which is an authentic reproduction of gin from that era. About 2 teaspoons of honey. I'm using a chipotle honey for a little extra kick, but if you want to be authentic to the region, you could use a clover honey. Then I've got about 2 to 3 tablespoons of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Gonna fully ice the glass. And then you shake until the outside of the glass becomes frosty. I've got a little tiny bit of honeycomb that I've put in the bottom of this glass. And this is the same glass that they used in the scene. I'll post a link on the website to where you can buy these glasses on Amazon. Then you will strain into the glass. Look at the beautiful lemon yellow color. And then I'm just going to garnish with a twist of lemon. Super easy. Super good. Get my cookbook, the Unofficial Yellowstone Cookbook, which is available for pre-order right now. This is not a recipe from the book. I'm going to be posting outtakes until the book is released October 24th. So stay tuned for more. Thanks. Bye.